Welcome to our tutorial on how to start a video call on Twitter. Follow these simple steps to connect with your contacts through video chat. First, open the Twitter app on your Android device. Look for the chat icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your direct messages. Next, open the chat with the contact you want to call. Scroll through your conversations and select the person you wish to video call. Once you're in the chat, you're ready to initiate the call. Now look for the phone icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it to reveal a menu of call options. Select the video call option to start a video chat with your contact. And that's it. You've successfully started a video call on Twitter. Enjoy connecting with your friends and family through live video chat. Remember, video calls are a great way to stay in touch with loved ones and have face-to-face conversations, even when you're miles apart. So whether you're catching up with an old friend, collaborating on a project, or simply wanting to see a familiar face, video calls on Twitter make it easy and convenient. Stay connected and make the most of every call. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to start a video call on Twitter. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to begin video chatting with your contacts.